From a driver who merged right into oncoming traffic and a trucker who came careening off the highway, to a rainy highway fiasco that nearly ended in disaster and much more. Here are crazy and amazing moments caught on Dashcam. Who do you think's in the wrong here?
О, давай. Ёб твою мать. Как я обгоняю.
This driver either lost control or didn't look before merging lanes. This driver needs to make up their mind.
So there could be a possible 5-second penalty for a long end of the race. Gap 4.5.
Or what's though? No indication on our screens and our messages from race.
Here's why you look both ways before crossing the road.
Until the person who was turning it in turned it in. What? Man, I saw it. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Jungle. Whoa, yo. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
It's never a good idea to drive through a flooded road unless you're looking for a free car wash.
Он убрал, бля, года 4 назад. Так что сейчас даже...
Ебать его в
Ох
рот!
ты ж, блядь!
Вот долбоящик!
Нихуя себе, да тут прям...
That person's going the wrong way, eh? Where? Yeah. Oh shit. How did they do that? Dad. Yes!
Whoa, hey! What? What the fuck? What are you doing, man?
Russia's traffic can be very chaotic, as seen on this next clip. Driving in the rain can be really dangerous.
Amendment for people who are involved in an insurrection against the country, they lose the ability to hold office. Congress could conclude that, but short of that...
Ой, у меня же деньги должны прийти. Блядь. Пиздец, как мы проедем?
Зацепил боком. Солнце слепит его.
Oh my god!
Watch out! Hey, we got another one crashed over here! We got another one crashed!
Oh my God, watch out. Oh my God, that person's fucking dead. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, shit, no. Shit.
Fucking idiot! The fuck, man? Hey, you gotta look. You can't just.
I'm so sorry. I did. You were in my blind spot, honey.
Oh man, you scared the shit out of me. Can I get your insurance, just in case? Your insurance? Can I get your insurance?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I go ahead and get it? And your ID? Huh?
In case you need a witness of
Oh,
what
okay.
you're doing.
Alright, thank you.
His car's pretty disabled. Like, we're just short of 53rd southbound. He didn't have any tread lift on his tires. There's no traffic on our side.
Confirmed if he is reckless, we've clouded twice.
What's your 20?
Just got on I-30, he just went underneath the semi.
I-30 east or west?
Eastbound, we're continuing to approach Garrett Springs.
30 eastbound, Garrett Springs.
This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.